Greetings, Madam and Sir. My name is Suzette Loyola. I am 46 years. I am single mother with one daughter. She is 20 years old. I have 14 years working experience as a domestic helper. My first experience is in Singapore. I worked there for 2 years. I take care of 2 children, 7 and 3 years old. I bring them to the school, going to market, cooking, and doing the laundry, cleaning the house, and everything. I teach them with their homework if they have. After I finish my contract in Singapore, I return to Philippines to help my brother to take care of his newborn baby. And after that, I work in the factory, such as electronic and garments factory. In 2011, I have the opportunity to work in Taiwan. I take care of 2 couples, elderly, aged 84 and 92 years old. I go to market, cooking, cleaning, and doing laundry. Sometimes I help them to go to the hospital if they need to go. After 2 years of working in Taiwan, I transfer here in Hong Kong. In 2014, I have the opportunity to work in Chuen Mun with one employer for 10 years. I take care of 2 children, aged 8 and 10 years old. I bring them to the school, going to market, doing the laundry, cleaning, and cooking. I play with them. Sometimes I help them to do the homework if they have, if I can. I am proficient in preparing Chinese food, thorough understanding of household sanitation and cleaning practice, experience in child care and elderly care. I prefer to work alone. I am hardworking person and easy to get along. I can take care of children or elderly. Thank you so much, Madam and Sir. Please check my profile in Helper Library. Thank you so much.